Okay, so have a quick look inside the boat. I've not been here for a while, as you can see, and I need to get it off the trailer at some point so I can revamp the trailer and do a few bits. I'd like to have a go next year and get it going. Take a look inside. I want to clear up one thing, a little bit of a myth. I fitted these windows about two years ago, maybe a little bit more, and I had two comments, probably more. I didn't bother paying much attention, and they said you did a really shit job. Now all they saw was me fitting them with the 007 mastic. They never saw the finished, so I want to show them the finished product, or whoever is interested, and we're going to have a look inside because I don't think it's leaked one little bit. So much for my job, that I think I did quite a good job. The only thing I'm not keen on, I bought these new port and starboard lights. We're going to go and check to make sure they still work, but they supplied them with just ordinary mild steel screws. I've got to change them for stainless steel. Right, so we'll jump inside. I'll get up a battery and we'll see what goes on. So I've just popped the hatch up. It seemed quite dry and dropped the battery in. Right, let's get over this. We've neglected a little bit. As you can see, I fitted two new hatches. Got a bit of water. Oh, it's slippy. Right, let's have a look. Oh, I got a little bit, but I think I know where that's coming. I want to show you that. A little bit of water there. I don't think it's from the hatches. So here we are. I haven't been for a while. Busy back at work and with everything going on. So I put a hatch in the floor. I don't know if you saw the previous one, because we had a lot of water. Fingers crossed. Dry as a bone. I left a sponge in there. Yeah, dry as a bone. Brilliant. That did the job. Waste at the back there, but polystyrene. Okay, let's see if the lights work. So we can do this. Well, we got high voltage. Okay. Yeah. So we've got anchor light, bilge pump, and then we should have port and starboard lights. And well, we got a flash. Are we low on battery? Okay, so we're down to 11.1 volts. But I did fully charge this battery, so we could be losing the battery, to be honest with you. Anyway, so turn off that. I want to check the port and starboard lights. Okay, that's working fine. Port and starboard. There we go. You see that red light glowing? There you go. Okay, brilliant. It's all working. So my bucket list for next year coming up, we'll be finishing this off. It's going to be repainted, trailer's going to be revamped, and then Loch Lomond. Loch Lomond is a lake, if anybody's interested, especially abroad, in Scotland, which is it's about 26 mile long, I believe. I'll double check that. So that'll be my first sailing trip ever. That'll be really interesting. We can get this cat out now because he's one of the most nosiest cats ever. Fenton, psst, see? I'll have to give it a clean, especially on this boat as well. She has twin drop keels. So that's the keel hitting the trailer. There's one each side. they were jammed, so I've left them down for now so that they don't jam. I'll just try this one if I get him out. So they actually, if you see that little thing there, where is it there, and one this side, just above the battery, that's where they're linked and they fold up underneath, so you can actually beach this little baby. There you go. Both three. We're going to get that cat out of here now. Go on, how'd you go? No, we're not going to go down there. We're chucking you out now. Okay, there you go. So I've got new rigging for the mast, all the ropes and everything to be done. But like I said, it's just time. Got to finish off that, finish painting. She's in good nick actually. Really good. And I've done a lot of alterations to it. I've got rudders, engine, the whole lot, so I'm really looking forward to it having a go. Oh, we'll see. Right, let's get this battery checked out. I think we're getting a little bit of water from these. I don't think they've been sealed properly, so I've got to go around through each one of them. I think that one there is one of the main culprits. I forgot to show you inside the windows, but yeah, that's what they look like when they're finished. Okay, they do look quite nice. Yeah, so I've got to undo that and put some sealant and put them back in again. That's one of the jobs ready, which we'll do. Try and get done over the winter with a bit of luck. And clear that off. Up there. I don't know what the hell they put that there for. Skipper 17, if anybody's interested. 1985-ish, I think. If anybody knows, please let me know. But I've got some literature on it, so quite interesting. That's it. If you enjoyed the video, give it a quick thumbs up. It's just a quick recap on the Skipper, which we're definitely going to go sailing in. So yeah, if you enjoyed it, take care. Thanks very much for watching. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe. Brilliant. Cheers. Bye.